Hey guys, what's up? I'm your host, Monica Ortega, and I'm here in Jefferson, Colorado to show you the Triangle Cabin. Let's check it out. Triangle Cabin is an A-frame cabin that's located about 70 miles southwest of Denver. Once we were all settled in, we headed to Pike National Forest to check out Jefferson Lake and take in the beautiful fall colors. Thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this episode, be sure to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see y'all next time.